Okay, our lesson, our math lesson for today is to practice some number bonds. So we have some Shamrock number bonds. It's been a while since we've done these, so I want to go over this real quickly and kind of remind you of how we do these. For this page, each one of our number bonds wants us to find out how we get to 10, okay? So we're going to find a lot of fact families with 10. And there's a couple of different ways we can solve this, and it's really up to you how you solve it. It works just as well one way or the other, just whatever is best for you, okay? So with this first one, my leprechaun has 10 in his pot, but 6 of them have been taken out. How many would I have left? Well, I can do this as a subtraction problem, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly do some little pieces of gold here, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how many he had to start with. Well, 6 of those were taken out. So I can look at this and say, this guy's gone, this guy's gone, this guy's gone, 4, 5, 6. And I can see that right here, there are 4 pieces left, okay? So if I had 10, I took away 6, I would have 4. Another way I can look at this is 4 plus 6 equals 10, okay? So let's go over here. I'm going to solve this one a little bit differently, okay? So I have 10 I'm trying to get to. 8 is my number here. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and count up, all right? So I already have 8, and I'm going to make a mark as I count up. 9, 10. Well, how many more did I have to make to get to 10? I only had to make 2. So that's another way I can solve these number bonds. Over here, I'm just going to look at this one and I say, oh, 2. Well, I know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So 2 plus what equals 10? Well, 2 plus 8. I've just flipped the fact family. Okay? So with this one, let's look at this. Here's the 10, and they give me 5. All right, so what number plus 5 would give me 10? Or if I have 10 and I take away 5, how many would I have left? Okay, well, I'm just going to do this on my fingers. You guys can't see my fingers, but I'm going to hold up my fingers. I have 10 fingers, and I'm going to get rid of 5 of those fingers. So I'm going to wipe away one hand. Oh, I still have one hand left, and that means it's 5 more. Okay. I've given you a couple of different ways to solve these number bonds. I'm not going to do the last 2 for you because I'm hoping that you can go ahead and do those on your own. And there's also another number bond sheet on the back of this. Have fun!